Still saying cool or awesome? That's kind of outdated. Here are 10 slang words to sound fluent in 2025. Number 1 is fire. It means something is amazing. Like, this party is fire. Next is rizz, short for charisma or flirting skills. You will hear stuff like, he's got mad rizz. Third is slaps. This one's all about music or anything that hits hard. For example, this beat slaps. Number 4. Okay, this one's fun. Delulu. It means being delusional, but in a cute way. Like, I think he likes me. Okay, I'm being delulu. Fifth is no cap, means I'm serious or no lie. You will hear people say, this is the best burger ever. No cap. Next one, sus, short for suspicious. For example, he's acting sus. Number 7 is vibe check. It's like a mood test. If someone's off, you say, that guy failed the vibe check. Number 8 comes. Flex means showing off, sometimes in a weird way. Like posting your grades, weird flex. 9th is lowkey or high-key. Low-key means quietly, high-key means obviously. Example, I low-key love Mondays. Don't judge. And finally, main character energy. It means acting like the star of your own story. Like, she walks in like she's got main character energy. Use these words, and you will sound like a real native in no time. Hit that like if you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe for more.